Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be talking about is I'm going to be going over some of these rappers nowadays that are famous, and I'm going to be rating some famous rappers' merchandise, you know, just like their things that they release. You know, the merch that rappers release once they drop an album or like a single. I'm just going to be rating some of that, and you know, shout out Grailed, you know, I'm just going to be searching on there, kind of going over pieces and looking into those so I can really just talk to you guys about these different artists, kind of merchandise they're putting out, and like what different influences I see on it, and kind of like maybe if I can break anything down, I'd love to do that. And I'm just going to be talking about some of my favorite rappers too. There's, I guess, the merch they put out, because some of these rappers, their merch is very creative, it's very different, it stands out. And then some of the other ones, it's just, you know, kind of like the Teespring type thing, you know, just like send it out, mass market it, we're just trying to make a bunch of money here type thing. So I'm gonna go over that, and I hope you all will enjoy this video. If y'all want more videos like this, please be sure to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like. Let's try and hit 102 likes in this video, so please drop a like. I'm trying to hit 102, so let's do that. And also follow me on both my Instagrams too. You can follow me on my reselling page. I got some Gucci shoes for sale right now. If you guys are trying to buy them, you can go check out that page, and also check out my personal for my posts. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, pretty much all I gotta say, other than I hope you guys will enjoy, and let's get into rating some of these rappers, different merchandise they got. All right, so basically, hopefully this recording started so y'all can see. So yeah, all right, screen recording started, I'm here. So basically, I'm right now on Grailed, and we're gonna go over some different rappers' merchandise. So I firstly wanted to go over, I wanted to specifically search the Kanye West Jesus is King merch. I wanted to go over this first. This is Kanye's one of his more recent merchandise things that he's come out with. This even clothing, like I don't even feel like he controls the Yeezy that much anymore. But look at these like different designs that we got here. Like we have a whole like iMac. Like is this just a ticket? Or is this a poster? Okay, so this shows you Kanye is still very hype. You got this for $100. You still got. Yeah, there's people still messing with Kanye. I mean, you have a poster for $100 just for the IMAX, and like, here's the hoodie. I know a lot of people knew about this. Not a lot of people got in-hand pictures, because I don't know. Hopefully people at least got this, but I don't know. I don't know how well this is reselling. I mean, that's not really important, but you can see the thing. You got Jesus is King on it. You got a 33 RPM LP, and then you got Kanye West, and then just some like other stuff on there. The back design, there's nothing on it. It's basically just a plain blue hoodie, and oh, there are some in-hand pictures that you can see of it right there. So it's a cool little thing. I mean, it's just Jesus is King. This isn't really like his best stuff, so I'm not really gonna go over this one for long, but you guys can see it's just a lot of stuff. This is like Jesus, like all that kind of stuff on it. Yeah, you know, it's cool, but not really my type. I mean, I think there was another cool collection from Kanye. I'm gonna look that one up right now. So I wanted to go over the Kid See Ghost, his collection with Kid See Ghost, Kid Cudi. They had something pretty interesting. As you can see, they had a lot of interesting designs on their stuff. They had some really cool one too. And you know, this is just like some different stuff. You see like a custom one, Lucky Me, I See Ghosts. That one was the collaboration with Cactus Plant Flea Market, so CPFM. That one was fairly well known actually. And this hoodie actually, yeah, $700. This hoodie goes for a ton. I think the hoodie's super dope, so I messed with this design, Mr. West. This one's fire. This one's super cool. You know, basically it just says like Lucky Me, I See Ghosts, I See Ghosts. Just it kind of going with the Kid See Ghost theme. That's what a lot of these different pieces are on this one. So this merch is cool. I definitely mess with it, Kanye, but you know, my favorite one's probably the hoodie right here. I'm definitely gonna click on this one, and I'm not just saying it because it's the most expensive one, but I personally liked just this color the most, and I thought the design in it was fairly cool. Just how everything's going off. You can see like that's like the Royals influence right there. So you know, you just see different things that they're taking from Can't Flog, no, you know, November 11th, like that. I think it was cool, but like, you know, again, Kanye's more iconic stuff. Just look up the College Dropout collection or something. But I mean, this Kid See Ghost merch is still pretty cool. But you know, I did definitely want to get into some different artists. So how about we do that? Because I definitely wanted to then go in after discussing these pieces. You know, you see like the jackets and things like that. I actually wanted to then go and discuss someone that you all requested that I talk about this guy specifically a lot. Travis Scott. Now, Travis Scott with his merch is pretty good. He's mainly known for his shoes. Now, I guess when I look up Travis Scott, I don't know what I'm gonna expect to see, but yeah, like this is different merch. So you got like Jack Boys and things like that. So like you got the Jack Boys mask right here. I'm just gonna pop this one up real quick so you all can see it. You know, just something here. Resell for $130, so that's pretty good. You know, if you have a ski mask with just like Cactus Jack labels, stuff like that, reselling for $140, like in total with shipping and all that. It's pretty impressive. But just going over that, you know, like this is like one of the tour tees he had for Astroworld. This one's pretty cool. You know, like the sand colorway, and this one I don't know what it says on it. I think it just says Sicko Mode. Yeah, this is Astroworld and it just says Sicko Mode on it. So I guess if you're a really big fan of Sicko Mode, then maybe you could just go with something like that. But for me, I'm Oh no, this one's cool. And you know, you got different things, like you got bowl, you know, you got the shoe, you got the hoodie. I mean, there's a wide variety of Travis Scott merchandise. Like you have a ton of like hats and different things like that. So Travis's merch is very, very unique compared to everybody else's. Now, you could say that Travis is simply following in Kanye's footsteps, because Kanye did something very similar to this. Maybe aside from the commercial products, like there's nothing like a Kanye West Reese's Puff cereal bowl. There's not. So the fact that this cereal bowl, look, has 110 likes on Grailed right here, almost 110 likes. It's like $50. Like, yeah, that's pretty crazy that people are going crazy paying. Look, and they'll also have the Travis Scott cereal. Like, nobody's doing it like Trav. Nobody is, and you just have to face that. So this is crazy. Shout out Trav, you know, and yeah, his stuff's dope. Like, he's done everything from cereal to shoes to tees. It's just, he's kind of doing it all. And I gotta mess with Trav. That's like a serious businessman move. So this is dope. The forces are cool. That's a really good price on them. $460 for a size 12. Hey yo, I just found a Grailed steal. If someone wants it, that's a steal. Yeah, Travis Scott merch, you know, pretty good. You can find some good, legit and cheap merch here. And yeah, you know, it's just cool tee stuff. You know, some people probably wore their stuff to go rage at the concert, things like that, whenever they went and saw Trav. But this merch is cool. I mess with it. But how about we go over? Oh, I wanted to go over this and see. This one isn't on Grailed, but I wanted to go over it. All right, I was just doing this one kind of as a joke, but we got NBA YoungBoy merch. Never broke again. NBA official brand, I guess. So this is his website, and I wanted to go over his merch here. So as you can see, like, look, you have the ski masks. I guess these are cool. I guess, I mean, you mess with 4K tray, all that. You know, not trying to catch coronavirus, and shoot, these may be some cops. These may be some cops. These may be fire. But like looking at the tees designs and all this, it's basically this. I think it's the same literal like 3 designs. I could see these 2 ones being popular with this face on. I could see those being popular, but like on these other ones, yeah, I don't really see these reselling at all. I mean, they don't. I mean, they're kind of just like getting mass stocked and put on his website. So like, there's no reselling any of this stuff. I mean, I guess, shoot, his tactical vest sold out. Look, this one and this one. So I mean, I guess if people really, that just shows you the type of fans that YoungBoy fans are, bro. They'll cop the whole vest to seem hard. Yeah, for me, no. This merch is a pass, but shout out YoungBoy. He's doing his things. He's way richer than any of us. Can't really talk about it. His stuff's dope. And I also wanted to go over this. So this was actually a different artist merchandise right here. I definitely want to talk about. Very familiar artist to most of us. A very well-known rapper. This is the Lil Uzi Eternal Take merch. This is an artist actually, or a company that kind of stitched this design that Lil Uzi had thought of. Hopefully it isn't a stolen design, because there was this post going around about how Lil Uzi Vert had stolen it wasn't him, but it was pretty much his label that had stolen like the cover art for That Way, or he had stolen it. And you know, he just owes the artist some money, and Uzi commented under it. He's like, yo, my bad, I didn't mean to like take your artwork, because like he like stole pretty heavily for like his cover work for That Way, so that sucks. But looking at this one right here, I still think this piece pretty cool. You know, I mess with it. I mean, this is literally just Eternal Take. I mean, it's all it says, and it just has a face in it. And I think the eyes are pretty cool, like with the designs that they put inside the eyes and like as pupils. I think that's very unique and something different. But the one criticism I have of this Lil Uzi Vert merch, aside from the design is dope. That's not a criticism. The design's hard, but the fact that it's on Champion. I mean, yeah, Champion's comfy. Dude, I keep messing up my words. I've said like comfy and different things like that, bro. I don't know what I'm saying. But aside from all that, it's just on Champion. All right, Champion may be comfy, all that, but I mean, it's printed on Champion, bro. So I mean, like, actually, you know what? I don't know what I'm saying. Like, Champion's not bad. It's Gildan. Gildan's the joke, not Champion. So throw the whole joke away. This merch is dope though. So shout out Uzi. I like it. I like the design. Another artist I wanted to go over. How about we go over some Lil Tecca? Lil Tecca. Let's see. I think I should see some Worldwide Youth here. I think, because I think there might be a Lil Tecca Worldwide Youth collaboration. So yeah, here you go. You got a few things right here. So you got some Tecca merch. Worldwide Youth Lil Tecca collab, Lil Tecca t-shirt right here, A Life X Lil Tecca collab. So I guess there's a little collaboration here for his merch, but you know, that's pretty cool. And look, what is this? What is this though? Is that a Beats Presents? Yeah, Tecca's shirt kind of seems like an ad if that's this authentic. I mean, this is dope though. This is a super sick piece. I mess with this hoodie. This is quite a rare piece, you know, where it just says Tecca all over it, but this is a rare collaboration, so this one's dope. Whoever got this one, this is cool. This is a rare piece. You should keep it. I think it's cool. So this is a little Tecca thing right there. You know, he don't really got merch, so I don't know. I'm not gonna look up him, but how about we look up someone else that has some good merch? Tyler the Creator. And I think it's gonna be the final one I probably talk about, but here you go. You see all the Golf Wang stuff, because Golf Wang is really Tyler the Creator's brand. So you can see you got Golf Wang right here. Save the Bees, different designs here, and Tyler always has the sauce. Like all these pieces are saucy. All right, Tyler's creative. He made a whole brand with golf balls, golf like for off future and all that. T-shirts, shoes. Like Tyler's doing it all too, and his shoes are pretty sick. Like these ones are pretty dope. You know, this whole design right here. I'm not a fan of this colorway, but in particular like this shoe model right here, the LaFleur's. I think it's super dope. So this one's pretty cool. Obviously a lot of LaFleur's out there. Like these ones are always selling. You can actually probably find LaFleur's for cheap and like sell them for more and do all that. So Tyler's merch is different. It's cool. Very colorful. You can see Tyler doesn't use a lot of dark colors. Tyler's a guy to use a lot of bright and vibrant colors. So that's pretty cool. You know, you got the, like Igor hat selling for 90 bucks. That's pretty solid. So you know, merch doing pretty well and resale stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, you know, that's all the artists I really want to discuss. Sorry that I didn't discuss like Drake, but like I guess we can look up Drake for a sec here. We'll look up Drake. And I guess Young Thug like has his own brand too. I just want to go over Young Thug, but you know, you got some Drake stuff, you know, with the Drake Revenge. This was very, very popular, so you guys knew about this tee. These tees kind of iconic. Same with the Summer 16 one. Both these are very iconic, especially Summer 16 tee now. I imagine that's pretty valuable. And these shoes too, also, Drake kind of has his own shoe with Jordan Brand, so you know, he making his moves there. But that's not really artist merch, so that's really all I gotta say. These are cool. Everybody's got the little merch as an artist. And how about we roll that outro? Anyways, I hope you all did enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and drop a like. Don't forget, we're trying to hit 102 likes, so I want to see everybody liking this video, so please do that. And that's really all I gotta say. You know, school's out because Corona. That means I have plenty of reasons. I mean, I'm not really hanging out with my friends either because like this virus and all that, so you know, I mean, I just have all the time to work on my videos, so that's what I've been doing, just rating some rapper merch, selling shoes. Been a good week, you know. Virus is in the city, fairly close to where I'm at, but you know, I'll be straight. I'm not gonna catch that. You know, your boy's healthy. You know I'm not lacking. You know I'm a healthy kid, so you know I'm gonna be straight. I'm definitely gonna make it through that if I catch it, but I doubt I will in the first place because I'm about my hygiene. So I hope y'all did enjoy this video. That's all I gotta say. Follow me on my Instagrams. That's the last thing. Follow me on my Instagrams, of course. Reselling, personal, I'd appreciate a follow either. And that's really all I gotta say. Other than that, I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching. And if you follow me, then I'll see you in the next video. Peace!